What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has taken a little bit of a dip in the last 24 hours and it is down just over 10% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be focusing on what can we expect over the next couple of days by the end of the year, and mainly going into 2024. How high can this crypto go? Is it in for a pump in 2024, or is it going to pretend like it's pumping like it's been doing over the last 12 months overall in 2024? It's been pumping, dropping, just a repeated, but hasn't moved much value wise. So is it worth investing into the crypto right now, or should you avoid it and keep away from it? That's what we're going to be going through, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. And we can see that Jasmy is also trading very close to the SMA indicator, meaning it's pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what we have is the blue and the orange line literally flat out going in a straight. Well, we can see that they are slightly slanting towards the positive direction, but they're also looking quite straight. So yeah, it is quite skeptical. It is very difficult to differentiate between is it going flat or in an increased value. But my predictions over the next 12 to 14 hours is for the crypto to drop a little bit further down to below where it's trading at the moment. As you guys can see, the current value is here in green. It is likely to drop below that by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, dropping out a lower value than where it is at the moment, is what my expectations are over the next 12 to 14 hours. But again, do expect it to hit green candles in between as well. So it's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking even worse here. It is clearly looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So we've got both the blue and the orange line looking bearish. However, over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week guys, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value. And again, by mid next week we will be in 2024 guys. So I'm expecting the crypto market to be heading towards a bullish side, not just in the beginning of 2024, but overall that year. I'm expecting it to be a bullish year for the crypto market. So yeah, over the next week I'm expecting an overall increase in value, but again, of course, it's going to hit red days in between as well, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So yes guys, do expect an overall minimal increase in value from Jasmy. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking a little bit more skeptical. We got the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line clearly going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late February 2024, I am expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall increase in value. Like I mentioned earlier on in the video, I'm expecting it to be a bullish year. So in Q1 of next year, Jasmy should be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. And yes guys, I'm expecting it to go past the 1 cent target by late February, early March 2024. But it is going to be a slow and steady increase. As you guys can see, since about mid-October, the crypto has been gaining value at a slow and steady pace, and that is likely to carry on over the next 6 to 8 weeks as well. So we should see an overall positive outcome, and of course by mid next year, in the second half of next year, I would at the moment expect the crypto to be heading over the 2 cents target. But again, here's cryptocurrency, guys. If there are any major changes to that, if there, for example, if there's a major crash or a major bull run or whatever it is that can have an impact on the value of not just Jasmy but the crypto market in general, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to hit the resistance target here, which is 0.02476 cents, but we should be able to hit that towards the very end of next year. We should be able to hit the resistance target and potentially resist, not essentially break out and head into the green zone. But as long as we can do that, head up to the the resistance target here, we should be good to go. And especially that the crypto has been performing quite well over the last 2 to 3 months, and if we can keep it going in that way, then yeah, it should be performing very, very well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 80% in the last 24 hours, making it $54 million in trading. One reason I can think of why it's gone up, the trading volume, is because yes, it has dipped, so many people are seeing the advantage of buying the dip right now. So a lot more people are starting to invest into the crypto after it's dipped, because over the last week it has gained just about 2%. However, we can see prior to that it was gaining a decent amount. Over the month it has gained over 28% and over the year 126%, but we can see that it has been very volatile over the last 12 months. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. I am expecting this crypto to hit the 1 cent target in the first quarter of 2024. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Jasmy to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And I can already sense it, there's a lot of comments coming down with the dollar mark. However, it is very, very unlikely that the crypto is going to hit the dollar mark, due to the fact that it's going to have to go for a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy anytime soon. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.